Samsung Galaxy S7. It was released in the year 2016 and it became an instant hit among the masses. 4 years later, it has got a couple of updates and it is now running Android Oreo. Samsung has given almost same user interface for almost 4 years. So I thought everyone will need a refresh. So for that, in this video, I'll try to install Android 10 custom ROM that is called as Pixel Experience ROM that gives a pixel kind of experience on your Samsung device. Let's get started. First, you need to go into software information in your about phone and you have to tap on build number for 7 times and then it will ask for your PIN, and if you enter it, developer options are going to open, and in that you have to enable OEM unlock and you have to type in your PIN again, and then your device will be ready for custom ROM installation. And also don't forget to enable USB debugging, that might be useful. Download all the files from the links that I've mentioned in the description and get ready for the next process. So after all the downloads and installations are done as shown, take your phone and press volume up, power and home buttons at the same time to go into download mode. And then press volume up. After that you're done. Connect your phone with micro USB cable which is in a good condition and fire up your terminal on your Mac. Type in the commands that are being shown on the screen. And Heimdall download bit gives you a .bit file that is required to flash custom recovery on your Galaxy S7. So the path where you want to save your .bit file must be given. Phone will be restarted now automatically. So now extract the zip file that you've got from JODin and open the file. As you can see, it is showing that my device is connected. And now click on .bit and browse for the .bit file that you've just now created. And click on PDA and select TWRP file which you have downloaded. Deselect auto reboot. Click on start. So now keep your phone connected and copy the ROM file which we have downloaded into micro SD card or a pen drive. If you are using a pen drive, use USB OTG connector that is given in box by Samsung. After that is done, press volume down, power and home buttons at the same time, and as soon as the screen goes black, while holding home and power buttons, change volume down to volume up. So now you will be entering into TWRP recovery. Swipe to allow modifications. I have copied my ROM into USB OTG drive that I'm having. So make sure you back up your present ROM so that if anything wrong happens, you'll have a backup and you can restore to your old ROM. As I've already done it, I'm not doing it now. And then you have to wipe all your data. Type in yes, and all your data is lost. So wipe cache, system data, and internal storage, everything. And now I'm going to install. Select the ROM file that we have downloaded. It will take some time to install. Sit back and relax. After that, reboot into system. And you are into Pixel Experience ROM. It will take some time to boot and you're ready. So I've used this for one day full after installation of this ROM, and personally I liked it. It is smooth, Android 10 is smooth. The call quality is good, but VoLTE is not supported, so you have to use the SIMs which are not Geo. SIMs other than Geo must be used. Everything works fine, well in this ROM, and you'll have a new experience with your old phone. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more content.